Let's look at a nomenclature example. So I'm going to draw a structure as a line angle structure on the screen. Now there's not a whole lot going on in this molecule, but the first step is to determine if we have a high priority group. As it turns out, we don't. We don't even have an alkene or an alkyne. So this is just an alkyl molecule. So we can go to the second step and find our longest continuous chain. Now we're going to have to be careful around these branching points and make sure we actually get the longest chain. But it turns out the longest chain is, I believe, an octane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we go down this branch, we're only going to get 7. So that's the longest chain we can get. This will be some kind of octane. And typically when I do problems, I write the pieces out to the side. And then when I'm ready, I try to stitch them together according to the rules of naming. So this is going to be some kind of octane. Now the question is, do we number the octane chain starting from this end or from the other end? And the answer is, in simple molecules like this, we number the chain so we hit a branch point as early as possible. Now, so this chlorine is right next to this end. This bottom end is where we're going to number first. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we numbered from this end being number 1, that would have been 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would have been our branch point, and it would have been at carbon 4 instead of carbon 2. So this is an octane. The substituents are this group, which is a chloro, and the address of that chloro is at the 2 position. So there's going to be a 2-chloro, and at the 5 carbon there is an ethyl. So to finish this molecule, we simply have our base name, octane, that's at the end, and in front of octane we're going to have our chloro and ethyl. Chloro C comes before ethyl because they're alphabetized. So this will be 2-chloro. And now after the chloro, we're going to have 5-ethyl. We separate our numbers and words with hyphens, so that'll be 5-ethyl octane. And this is all one continuous word. Don't put spaces in here. This is one continuous word. So those are the steps involved in naming this particular molecule.